My respected ulama, dear brothers in Islam, brothers in faith, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am thankful to the Ahl Sunnah wa Jama'at of South Africa for their kind invitation to deliver 3 lectures in the Jami Masjid of Durban. Today is the first series of this lecture. Tomorrow is the second, regarding about Qadianism, and Saturday is the third. And inshallah on Monday morning and Sunday also there are some functions, Maulud Sharif. And on Monday I am leaving for Malawi and Zimbabwe and then Australia, inshallah. So I hope the prior to my departure I could deliver the message, and inshallah you will consider it, and after consideration you will practice it, inshallah. Very sincerely, on the member of beloved Prophet Sayyidul Alameen Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I like to say some very important matter with facts and figures. Important matters connecting with your religion, with your faith. Important matter so important that if there is somebody could say that you are not exactly following the right path, so you can tell him with full of confidence that what you are doing, what you are practicing, or the traditions which you have inherited are exactly the treasure of Islam. As you know it very well, that we Muslims always think and always believe that everything we have to live in this world only the Iman, faith will be with us. This is a belief of every Muslim. That's why we always pray and ask Allah Almighty, Allah, urzuqna husn al-khatima. Allah, khatma bil khair farma. Oh Allah, on the last time of my life, let me depart with Iman. This is the prayer of every Muslim. Allahumma arzuqni husn al-khatima. And this is very important thing, that if a person living this world, he leave all the wealth here, children here, wife here, and Iman also if he left here, then what he is going to take in his grave. So the important thing is that how to protect our faith. What is the basic? And to find out the robbers of the faith. ईमान के डाकू कौन कौन लोग हैं, and to find out the conspiracy against the Muslim faith is very important thing. Because always, if you have some jewelry, you like to protect the jewelry, and for this purpose, you ask your bank to provide you a special locker in order to protect the jewelry and important documents and valuable wealth, some gold coins and this and that, to protect that in locker. Otherwise, if you could not protect this wealth, this treasure, robbers always behind that. So in order to protect your faith, you have to be very careful if there is any conspiracy against your faith. Conspiracy for what purpose? Conspiracy inspired by whom? Conspiracy, why? What was the purpose for this conspiracy? Why this conspiracy is made by those who call themselves Muslims, and what precautionary measures we could take in this connection? These are the important figures. And as our brother, Mr. Bana, has mentioned, I will try my best to elaborate the subject and highlight what happened in Indo-Pakistan subcontinent, what happened in Saudi Arabia, and why such a conspiracy was maneuvered by the enemies of Islam. And I wholeheartedly welcome if some of our friends, our brothers, particularly our Muslim youths, if they have some doubts in their mind or they have some inquiries about it, I will try